Hey YouTube, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews, and we're here with another set of BENKS products. And this time we have it for the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. We have a protective case built in with DuPont Kevlar, and then we have a magnetic foam grip. And you can utilize this aramid fiber on top of your MagSafe protection case, on top of your MagSafe phone, and you're going to get an excellent combination. But before we get into this review, if you can please like, subscribe this channel, we greatly appreciate it. We thank you for all your support. But without further ado, let's get to it. Now I have the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and I do have one case, as I mentioned before. And you can get this case on Amazon or the BENKS website for $49.99. And then you can get this magnetic phone grip for $26.99 on Amazon as well. And the combination right here, as you can see, the patterns do match, so you can, match your patterns, or you can mix match, but it's up to you. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So we have this wonderful box, which is amazing. BENKS has been so great to us. We appreciate all their support, and it comes with all of the BENKS, identity badges, things like that. It has this aramid fiber, which gives you full protection. It's light and durable. Once again, it's built with that DuPont Kevlar, which could stop a bullet in some cases because of the weaving being so tight. It has low density, it's super tough, and it's heat resistant, and it's very high strength. You get all of that reading in here. And as you can open up the little booklet here, it has a kind of symbolism right here, and it shows your case in a nice little window box here. Now it comes very secure, so you can go ahead and pull up all of the stickers you got here and pull it out like a tray, or, oh yeah, open up the sticker all the way and then pull it out like a tray, just like such, and there you have it. Now it has kind of like this Northern Lights / earthy green color, and then here's the inside. This is so light. I mean, this is not going to add any weight to it. I mean, look how I'm holding it with my 2 fingers. I mean, just amazing how light this is, and that's what Kevlar can do for you. Okay, go ahead and rip the logo off, and let's put that to the side with the sticker. Let's go ahead and strap it up. So I put it on the side. Well, there it is. So you can kind of put it in, it's very flush, so you're not gonna have any issues with it. And voila, this is what you have. This is the BENKS case, protective case. And it's for the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So this is the BENKS Armor Air. So if you want to get specific with it, it is the BENKS Armor Air Aurora phone. So that is the color officially, Aurora. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So it's not going to have much front end protection. There's not a huge lip, so it's really flush with the phone to give you that, lightness and thinness aesthetic. You're not going to, but if you do have a tempered glass case, that is the protection you would need for this particular case. The cutouts are excellent. As you can see on the bottom, you can see that goldish tint from my Pixel model. You have an open just area right here for your volume rocker and your power button. So no hindrances there. Excellent cutouts with your antenna. You got some lip protection, but it's still somewhat flush to the phone, but protection nevertheless. And this is what it looks like when you put it down on the floor. Now this aramid fiber is so nice. It has got the pattern that you want. Now let's see if there's any hindrances on wireless charging. As you can see, there isn't. And let's see the MagSafe. Now I do have my BENKS wallet, so you can mix match the colors, still have the same pattern here, but this is real tough. Real tough. And speaking of MagSafe, let's go ahead and unearth this magnetic phone grip. Once again, this is $26, and this is the Aurora Color Edition. And you get this on Amazon. And the official name of this is the BENKS Armor Pop. So it's an armor pop. So you're getting another armor pop. And this is what it looks like. Very lightweight, but you have so much versatility with this. Not only can you use it as a stand, but if you wanted to hold the phone even further, it has a mechanism where you can access your phone and just put your fingers through this loop here. And you can hold the phone as such. For instance, I can hold it like this. Excellent magnetics protection. See, I'm rigorously doing that with one phone, one finger. And when you're done, it just automatically reclines back into it. It has a excellent stand here that goes 180 degrees. It might go 360, but I'm not gonna test it. So you can have it for landscape, or you can have it portrait. And then you can rotate it and have a landscape from this side or this side, and then you have a portrait. And you can go and go. It's very tight, very tough. BENKS hooked it up this time. This is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna use this going forward. I know it's going to, try me sometimes because of how thin this is, and I'm kind of nervous about dropping it because it's really nice and I don't want it scratched up. But nevertheless, I'm still gonna rock it. So this is the Armor Air, the Aurora colorway for your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. And then you have your Armor Pop, which is another Aurora color. And this goes excellent in the pairing for your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. This is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews. Let me know if you're going to buy this, or are you going to look into getting a case similar to this. I'll throw the links in the description if you want to purchase this particular model and this Armor Pop for your collection. And don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Julian Tech Reviews. Peace.